Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can buy plots in Heartopia. It's pretty easy. All you have to do, just click on this little icon at the top, then select Developers Guild. Right here you need to click on the 4 boxes at the top and you're gonna see all the available plots for you. So you can just choose the one which you like, but before that you need to unlock the particular plot you wanna let's say purchase. So this is the one, let's say I wanna purchase, but for that I need to unlock it first and then only I'll able to purchase it. So unlock requirement would be shown to you like this. For now the one which is available for me to purchase is this one, and for that I would need 100 coins. Since I want to purchase it, I'll just click on this one and hit confirm, and yeah, there you go, we have successfully purchased the plot. Similarly you can just purchase more if you like. Let's say I want to purchase this one again, I can hit confirm, and yep, that's it. This is exactly how you can buy plots in Heartopia. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. I'll move to the next one. Bye bye.